Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add PDF to Mailchimp campaign. So let's begin. Okay, so first off, you need to sign in using your credentials, and once you have done that, you need to create an email campaign from the options that you can see in your interface. Now, clicking on that, you will be directed here to a new page. Okay, or simply click on your profile picture or profile icon and then click on campaigns. Now you will be directed to a new page wherein you can create one, and obviously this is where the fun part begins. Now click on create. Now from here, all you're gonna do is click on design email, and then you will be directed to a new editor page wherein we can do that. Now from the list of templates that you can choose anything that you wanted. Say for example, this is the template I'm gonna use, and you have to create a name for that. Click on save, and you will be directed to the editor interface. Now this is the magic part wherein all I'm gonna do for you to be able to add PDF to a Mailchimp campaign, just click on add button and drag it anywhere on the layout. All right, now from here, obviously, now for them to be able to recognize this is a PDF option, or let's say for example, you can rename the action button. Say for example, download PDF, and then what you need to do from here is click on the button, download PDF button, because what will happen is you will be directed here, and you need to change this from web into a file. That way you need to download the file, and when you downloaded the file, the file type will live inside the Mailchimp platform. All right, and again, you can add file here. It's up to you. And once I've added the file, as you can see it from Mail, it's here. See, every time they clicked the action button here to download PDF, they will be able to download the PDF if they wanted to, and that's how you add PDF to Mailchimp campaign. And once again, you can customize all these information here, and we have a separate video if you're a fan of our channel to check on how to edit your layout here in Mailchimp campaign. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.